We got the red ODI grips, fly bikes, Alta stem, S&M Perfect 10s, Colony sticker. It's a fit frame. It's a signature from a couple years ago. I'm not sure which one it is. I got it secondhand. Odyssey bearings. I don't remember what they're called. We got a felt carbon fiber spacer on there with a regular spacer, and fit Shiv 2 forks, stolen Thermalight pegs, fit FAF red wall tires 20.2.5, got a broken spoke right there from playing bike, Alienation PBR, probably gonna get a new front wheel with a felt hub on it. Really good pedals here. Odyssey JC PC Pedals. I like them a lot. They're about 30 bucks. They got great grip, but they have huge spikes, but I don't get pedaled a lot. And as you can see here, I had to replace the bolt because I snapped it. Not from riding, but just from being stupid. With this sprocket over there, I had some problems with it. So this is a hardware bolt. These are Madera Protocol cranks in black, 180 millimeter. Since I'm tall, I got 180 instead of 175. Not really a big difference. This is the original Odyssey Hazard Light V2, not the V3. It's all stock, or it's aftermarket, but it's all the same wheel and stuff. I didn't change anything. This seat here is the Shadow Conspiracy Pivotal. It's pretty cheap. It's plastic. I don't sit down a lot. And then I got just some kind of cheap pivotal seat post. I don't even remember what it is. Subrosa bearings, white and black. I don't actually remember which model they are, but they're pretty good. Again, rev wall, fit rev walls, stolen Thermalight pegs. With the Odyssey pedal over here. I took the spikes out of this side, so if my pedal hits whenever I do grinds, I don't get hung up. That's what the hollow GDH new Madera bolts look like. And then right here we got the S&M Sprocket. I don't remember what model it is. I just know it's the S&M spline drive sprocket. I love it. It's super strong. Right here, I shaved that down with a file because it was pushing on there, and it pushed on there, and basically it made my chain kind of come off track, and it would make this like popping noise of the chain coming on and off the track. So I shaved that down, and that solved that problem. And then we got the mechanic half-link train here. Pretty strong chain, haven't had any problems with it. Put it on straight and everything so it didn't stretch out. And then ODI bar end over here, chewed up by the dog. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike. I like it. If you want to hear the hub, I guess here's the hub sound. Just gonna set the camera down. And yeah, that's it. So hope you liked it. Subscribe, comment, like the video, inbox me if you have any questions, or comment. If you have any questions, let me know. It's a great bike, and yeah, so just let me know, man.